Salt Lake Municipality. My name is Kagisho Sonyoni, the Executive Mayor of the municipality. Over the past few days, we have experienced water interruptions throughout the city. This has caused a great deal of frustration to the residents, leading to unrest throughout the city. Allow me to extend our most heartfelt apologies to all residents for the inconvenience caused. I would like to once again assure all residents that the emergency water shutdown was a course of action which was unavoidable, owing to the massive water losses experienced, which also led to the nightly water supply disruptions. As a municipality, we appeal for your patience during these difficult times, whilst our team are working tirelessly to restore the water supply. We have made major strides in the repair works on the 2 leaks that were discovered. Therefore, the municipality will be restoring the supply of water to the following areas at 6 p.m. this evening. These are the broader Galeshewe, Platfontein, and Rodepan. The supply to the Kimberley CBD and surrounding residential areas is set at 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Our course of action in pumping water into the network is on schedule. In the event of isolated cases where water has not been restored, kindly contact Mr. Saul Massey on the following numbers: 073 381 5218, 073 381 5218. Our councillors will also be on the ground distributing information in relation to areas which may still not have access to water. As the municipality, we remain committed to delivering quality services to our people. I thank you.